This training is going to cover chemical exposure to nitrogen dioxide and the basic first aid steps from exposure. The threshold limit from the CDC for exposure to NO2 is 3 parts per million at 8 hours. The recommended exposure level is 1 part per million, and the permissible exposure limit is 5 parts per million. And all these exposure levels and limits are published by the CDC. You can pretty much become exposed to nitrogen dioxide from inhalation, ingestion, the lethal dose of NO2, according to the CDC, is 13 parts per million. They found this out by doing tests on animals and some other tests on humans. After being exposed to nitrogen dioxide, if it's in the eyes, wash immediately with large amounts of water. Seek immediate medical attention. If it is a skin exposure, flush the area with water, and also seek medical attention immediately. If it is inhaled, you want to move that person to fresh open air, and you're going to also get medical attention as soon as possible.